Imagine a world where plants are the ultimate solar engineers. Every leaf acts like a tiny solar panel, harnessing sunlight to create energy. This remarkable process, called photosynthesis, takes place throughout the day. During sunlight hours, plants absorb light, capturing carbon dioxide from the air and water from the ground. Using these ingredients, they mix them together to create glucose, their food. And guess what? The byproduct of this process is oxygen, which sustains life on Earth. So next time you see a leafy plant soaking up the sun, remember, they're not just growing, they're powering our planet.